I'm TK Devine.
Take a tour of the space.
And this is Devine Diaries Tiny Living Edition, chronicling my experience with the world of minimalist living and advocacy, educating and inspiring DIY journeys and all their struggles. You film me at the one time where I have no idea what I'm doing. Follow me as I lead you through my experience of minimalism, van life, and my own tiny toilet home. I am TK Devine, and this is Devine Diaries Tiny Living Edition. Here at the Porta-Home today, making some improvements. I'm here about once a week working on this thing. Well, meanwhile, on other days, we're working on landowner outreach and property owner and tenant contracts, as well as the law. The City Council has yet to hear the ordinance on tiny houses on wheels in Los Angeles, but it has passed the Planning Commission, so that's good news. We're just kind of waiting on the council to move. Who knew that government moves slowly? So what are we improving? This winter we experienced some degrading of our wood, almost damaging our batteries, charge controllers, and other solar power implements. So we gotta fix that. This is not acceptable, so we're creating new ways to protect our most important implements, like this power inverter. Our backyard home's utility man extraordinaire, Tony, came across some really high quality plywood, which we're now repurposing for some shelving inside the battery box. Will also act as a barrier for rain and any kind of entry, and for storage, so we can put stuff in here and lock it away, like tools. Because manly men use tools, like this power sander. I've said it once and I'll say it again, Bob Vila ain't got nothing on me. Did some sanding, did some staining and sealing. Looks like we're brand new. Got a nice honey mustard hue here. Gonna add a nice little rubber port to this to protect it from any water drip. Maybe give these wires a little curve. And put the hinge on and we are good to go. Charge controller is safe and sound. It's not just a battery box and storage space, just add a cushion, you got yourself a nice little bench. Only a good day's work. Stay tuned for continuing progress on the world's first Porta Potty tiny house.